Last year, every couple I worked with who was struggling with emotional neglect said the same thing. It felt like their needs didn't even register with their partner. I'm Dr. Amanda Pasciucco, and I've been a therapist since 2009. The reason emotional neglect keeps happening is not because your partner doesn't care. It's usually because the small moments of you being understood are disappearing. So these micro check-ins are designed to bring those moments back consistently and easily. The first check-in is the morning feeling check-in. This is a simple question you ask early in the day to make your partner feel emotionally seen right from the beginning of their day. You look at your partner and ask, "How are you feeling this morning?" Then stop and actually listen to their answer without jumping in to fix anything. The second one is the specific appreciation moment. This counters the feelings of being invisible by pointing out something you specifically notice about your partner. An example, "I noticed you got up early with the kids this morning, even when you were tired." Or, "I saw how patient you were on that phone call with service earlier." That's all it takes to make someone feel seen instead of overlooked. The third one is the one need share. This makes your needs visible so you stop getting ignored. Here's how to do it. Clearly and calmly state one small need using simple language. For example, "I could really use a hug right now," or "It would mean a lot to me if we could eat dinner without looking at our phones tonight." You're not complaining. You're making your needs known. This gives your partner something clear that they can actually respond to. Is this the one that you've done most? Comment below. The fourth one is the nightly connection close. This prevents the day from ending in emotional distance. This could be a physical touch, a little arm pat, a short conversation, or both. You might sit next to your partner and put your leg over their leg and say something like, "Hey, I just wanted to check in. How is today feeling for you?" Or simply holding them for a minute without saying anything. The goal is to end the day feeling emotionally close instead of disconnected. These 4 micro check-ins work best when you do them consistently. A few common mistakes to avoid. First, don't turn the morning check-in into a problem-solving session. Just listen. Secondly, make sure your appreciation is specific. Third, don't wait until you're already frustrated to share your need. Start with the first one tomorrow morning and drop a comment below if it helped you. If you want more practical advice, make sure to hit subscribe, like, and the bell for all. See you in the next one.